Hello everyone. Today we will start chapter 5 from the book The First Flight, The 100 Dresses 1. First, introduction. The 100 Dresses is a story based on the true experience of the author about a girl who is teased by her classmates because she belongs to a poor family. Her classmates make fun of her funny polished name. She is always quiet and wears the same faded blue dress to school every day. She always boasts of having 100 dresses of same color at home. In short, I will say that the story is also about the realization which people from mainstream society are forced to make about other different people with similar potential and emotions. Now let's know about the characters. First is Venda Petronsky, a poor Polish girl with a funny name who wears same blue dress always and boasts of having 100 dresses. Peggy always teases Venda, creates a game to ask Venda about dresses, different from others, never made Venda cry by teasing the most popular and pretty girl in the school. Then Maddie always teases Venda, very close friend of Peggy, a poor girl but never like Venda. Miss Mason, Venda's class teacher who helps the students and supports them. Now, let's start the explanation. It was Monday. Venda was absent but nobody noticed in the class. She did not have too many friends in the class because she was very shy and quiet girl. She always preferred to sit in the corner of the class. She came from Bogans Heights where poor people lived. Her parents were Polish who left Poland to settle down in America. Venda's classmates thought of her only when they came out of the class and waited to tease her, but she was absent. Venda did not come to school on Tuesday as well. Peggy and Mary were close friends. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty and intelligent. Maddie, her friend, was a poor girl. They both always teased Venda. They stayed after the school to mock Venda, but they noticed that she was absent. After being teased by other girls, Venda lied of having 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes in her closet. This lie became a game for others, and everybody in the class wanted her to describe her dresses for them every day. Peggy and Maddie derived pleasure in her discomfort. Peggy, the most popular girl of the school, was very pretty. She always teased Venda, but she was not cruel. She never behaved badly with anyone, not even with animals. If somebody asked her, she always said that Venda was not an ordinary person, but wanted her to describe the 100 dresses. On the other hand, Maddie, a poor girl, was very close friend of Peggy. She felt bad for Venda as everybody teased her. She wore different dresses given by rich family. She feared that one day all the girls would be fed up of Venda and she would become their next target. One day, Mary decided to write a note to Peggy, asking her not to tease Venda anymore. Later, she tore it up, thinking that she might be angry with her and would tease her. Why did she do this? Because she did not want to lose her friend. On the other hand, she was also having the fear that she would start teasing her. She thought about Venda's discomfort. She thought about how Venda had described her blue and green velvet dress with each little detail, and her thoughts got diverted to upcoming drawing contest. There was a drawing contest to be held in the school. Next day, it was drizzling, means raining lightly. Peggy and Maddie did not want to be late, so they did not wait for Vanda to tease her, as they used to tease her. So that day they did not wait for Vanda, as they thought that they would be late for the competition. There was a drawing competition for everyone in the class. Boys had to draw a motorboat and girls a dress. Everybody thought of Peggy to win, as she drew really well every time. Everybody drew beautifully in the class in bright colors. The class had assembled and the class teacher, Miss Mason, announced the winners of the drawing contest. Jack Bagels was the winner among the boys and Vanda was the winner in girls. Everybody, especially the judges, were immensely impressed by her drawings, and each of her drawing was capable of winning the contest individually. But Vanda was absent that day. Miss Mason showed her drawings to all the students. Everybody in the class clapped for Vanda in joy. They found that all the dresses she used to describe were there. The green velvet one, the blue one, and the red one also. The boys whistled with fingers in their mouth. Peggy said that she had thought she could draw the same like Vanda. So this is the explanation of the part 1. Part 2 we will continue afterwards.